Hi everybody, this is Vincom Company for another flat visit. So I'm gonna start my visit by showing you the bathroom of this apartment. We're situated in the south of Vincom Lake, so very close to the center and the whole district. Now we are in the room with a big bed, 2 places. There is on my right a little desk. So you get the big windows with a great view. A commodity to put your clothes. Let's continue this visit. I would like to show you now the living room and the kitchen. There is a air conditioning, ventilation, a sofa, little table, big table where you can sit on it and eat whatever you want. This is a kitchen with many furniture is providing with it. A big fridge, an example of kind of furniture. So there is knives, there is water, there is everything. Of course, this apartment gets a Wi-Fi connection, and there are many channels on television. There is also a balcony. Everything is green at this period of the year. So this is a general view of this apartment. So very comfortable, and if you are a couple or just a friend, it's perfect. Alright, that's all for this apartment.